Welcome back, it's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and you are welcome right here to Worldwaveradio, where we bring the world to you. It's this free plugin that literally feels like stealing. So it's a plugin by one of the most prestigious plugin and hardware maker, in the audio production world, and has been for a very long time. So with that said, let's get straight into it after the intro. Wire! Yes, welcome back. So you all know how fascinated or how much I love saturation so much. You all know how much I talk about saturation. Well, this plugin is by Universal Audio. As of the time I'm making this video, this plugin is still free, so you can go get this plugin free right now. It's called Verve Analog Machines, and so what Verve is essentially some analog saturation. So different types of analog saturations that you can use, and it comes with different types of machine, and different types of machine will have different type of color that they add to your sound, to your music. So it's great to use on anything, a mix box, vocals, strings, piano, anything that you basically want to saturate. But for me, I'll be using it on kick and bass, drums and bass. Let's see how it sounds on a drum boss and on a bass. So that is exactly how I'll be using it. So let's check out some sounds. This version I'm using is the free version. You can also purchase more stuff on it. So the plugin looks like this, such a beauty, and it has you can purchase more machines to add to this from the UAD website. You can go over to uaudio.com to download yours right now. Though I got mine from Plugin Boutique, because I use Plugin Boutique to get some of my plugins, because of the extra stuff that they have. So yeah, if you can't find it there, go straight to Plugin Boutique, you'll find it and you'll be able to download it also. So this is no way sponsored by anybody. This is just me bringing you something that I think is really cool and is free. So let's listen to some sound. Let's saturate some sound going over this. Let's go. You can instantly hear how much drive it adds to the beginning, like to this sound. Let's overdo it so that we'll hear it properly. Check out some more. I mean, bro, it's crazy. There's a thing it does even when you leave it on 0 and it's just there. Listen. So this is just me having the stuff on the plugin. Just me having the plugin there and the drive all the way down, and we can still hear how it's affecting the signal. Now it's off. Let me turn it on. See how it brings that warm thickness. Oh, thicken. Oh, that's the name. Okay, that makes sense. Let's try to overdrive. I like how it just sounds on this stuff like this. Yeah, moving on. Let's try it out. Let's try the same plugin out on some drums. This type of this thing I think is crazy if you are able to even use it on something like a bass or like a log drum. If you use it on a bass or a log drum, I feel like the character will really shine through some more. I like this sweetening for drum, just a little bit. Yes, just to decharacterize the snare and the kick. Yes, let's try it out on some bass. Let's see what it sounds like on bass. Yes. Yes. I definitely recommend this for that analog sound. If you're trying to go for that analog sound, you can just have it. The machines that they have right here, for me, is perfect. I don't even need to get the other ones. But if you listen to it and you feel like, yes, you want to try out some more, some of the machines, you can always get it. Of course, me, I already use some of the UAD Spark plugin in my workflow, so it's just an addition for me to have this saturator. And anytime I see a saturator that is free, I always want to try it because I'm a big fan of the analog sound. And yes, it's free. I think this will be free from now. As of the time this video is being posted, it's free. So if you've not gotten it, be sure to go check it out. And it's an amazing one that you can always use to get whatever analog sound you want to get. I mean, it's 100 and I love it. Why not? I like the whole character it's adding to the thing. Yes, so this is one of the free quick tips. Okay, not a tip. This is one of the free plugin. If it's free, I like it. Please give it to me. I'm giving up some of the templates I used in working exclusively to my members. So if you've not joined, join the membership below. We share great tips and things that can make you better as a musician. So we have different grades there. So join anyone that your power can do. You'll be able to get it. The highest one just has the highest membership just has an update. The difference is you'll be able to get the sound pack and some exclusive Krizbeatz Music Academy creative mixing courses that you'll be able to get if you sign up for the highest one. But the small one can also get you'll be able to get like all these stems, all these project files of the stuff I've worked on, or any song I work on that is really popping or that has popped. You can always get that too. So yes, check the join button below to join, and I'll be sure to see you when we get into class. Love. And exclusive live videos as well. I forgot to mention that. Exclusive live video of me mixing in person. So big love to you. Shout out.